The modern BMW X3 is a clear example of how much cars have grown in size over the years. The latest version of this luxury crossover is now available with 22-inch wheels straight from the factory, which do not seem excessive given the vehicle's substantial dimensions. The new X3 stretches an impressive 187.2 inches in length and 75.6 inches in width, making it larger than the original X5. This particular X3 is not a full M model, but an M Performance version, now called the M50 instead of the previous M40i. It features large matte black wheels, a noticeable roof spoiler, and several M badges scattered throughout. While the M50 will be the top-tier model for this generation, it might easily be mistaken for a full M variant by the casual observer due to the extensive M Performance parts, including a 3-part front splitter and carbon fiber accents. Despite all the visual upgrades, there are no performance enhancements under the hood. The M50 version still relies on a turbocharged 3.0-liter engine producing 393 horsepower, allowing it to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.4 seconds. Pricing for the M50 starts at $65,275, excluding additional M Performance parts.